It's so cute. Ursula and Mini-Me, which is actually Daisy. Now you're playing so rough over there. Goodness. Daisy. Hi, baby. Ursula. Off the counter, kitty. Miss Delilah. Delilah. Here is Gigi. Hi, Gigi. She's like, huh? You talking about me? And here's Miss Daisy. Daisy. Hi, baby. I love little. Are you little hypo? Oh. Hi, baby. She's like, I'm hyper. Oh, but you're so nice to human hands. I love it. Are you a good kitty? Are you? Yes, you are. You're a good kitty, huh, Daisy? Oh. I thought she was going at you. That was cute. Uh-oh. You're going to get some mud in the face, kitty. Ursula's doing that. She's literally standing right there and reaching out, putting little paws there and trying to hit the little level in there to go ahead and get some ice and water out. Did you find a shoelace? Did you find a shoelace? Did you? Oh, she's pulling now. And she's gone. You know that's your foot, Daisy. Look at that tail. That body language right now. Somebody's wanting to play. Delilah. Oh, you guys are just playing, right? Just playing. Oh, my little Delilah. My little Daisy. Yes, it's a human. Oh, my focus was right. You guys couldn't get a good one of my princesses. Delilah. I think they're more interested in Gigi. Gigi. Gigi is trying to get my command strip off of the counter. Hi, pretty girl. You want the command strip? Hi. Anyways, I will let you guys go. I just wanted to show a cute little video of 2 kittens. They are now 11 weeks tomorrow, I believe. So, yeah. Bam! They're like, oh, we're in the office. Let's do this. Anyways, talk to you later. That's your foot, Daisy. Look at that tail. The body language right now. Somebody's wanting to play. Delilah. Oh, you guys are just playing, right? Just playing. Oh, my little Delilah. My little Daisy. Yes, it's a human. Oh, my focus was right. You guys couldn't get a good one of my princesses. Delilah. I think they're more interested in Gigi. Gigi. Gigi is trying to get my command strip off of the counter. Hi, pretty girl. You want the command strip? Hi. Anyways, I will let you guys go. I just wanted to show a cute little video of 2 kittens. They are now 11 weeks tomorrow, I believe. So, yeah. Bam. They're like, oh, we're in the office. Let's do this. Anyways, talk to you later.